A rebound in Singapore's labour market. Job vacancies peaked to a new high with record low retrenchments in the first quarter of this year. Resident employment has also grown beyond pre-pandemic levels. Now, some analysts say it signals an economic recovery and a return to normality. Sherilyn Sia has more.
More construction projects are resuming as Singapore lives with COVID-19. As the construction sector picks up momentum, some firms are racing to hire more workers to meet demand, opening up more job vacancies.
People expecting the workers to come in. I think the number of projects available in the future will be also more. So, in anticipation of these changes, I think the demand for middle management could be heightened, and we do encounter such shortages. We are also looking for, experienced quantity surveyor, drafters, but it is not that easy to look for those experienced ones. So we probably have to make do with less experience.
Beyond construction and manufacturing, other sectors like financial services and information and communications are also recruiting. That led to a new high of 128,000 job vacancies in March, although it was a slower pace compared to the previous quarter. Unemployment is holding steady at pre-pandemic levels. Overall unemployment rates have trended down to 2.2% from a high of 3.6% in October 2020. Resident employment rates are some 4% higher than December 2019.
We may have seen the best of the job market in the first half of the year. The economy is starting to recover and return to normality. Having a relatively tight labour market is good news, especially when we are facing the highest inflation rate over the past 1-2 decades, because it's all about having household income versus the inflation that we are all getting. So if the incomes are rising and if everyone has a job, I think that is helping a little to offset some of the price pressures.
In a Facebook post, Manpower Minister Tan See Leng says he expects the tight labour market to ease, with border restrictions being lifted in April. He also expects more non-resident workers to enter Singapore, which will alleviate labour shortages in the months ahead. The government will continue to support companies. These will include upskilling the local workforce, adapting to new growth areas and meeting labour demand.